balls vocabulary. About 45 different types of balls names in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Basketball, football or soccer ball, beach ball, volleyball, cricket ball, tennis ball, rugby ball, American football, baseball, hurling ball, bandy ball, croquet ball, bowling ball, wiffle ball, golf ball, hockey ball, water polo, sepak takraw ball, lawn bowl, medicine ball, dodgeball, playground ball, bouncy ball, juggling ball, marble ball, pool ball, plastic ball, set ball, netball, handball, broom ball, petanque ball, futsal ball, uboba moon ball, disco ball, exercise ball or gym ball, paddle ball, bowling ball, squash ball, table tennis ball or ping pong ball, stress ball, spiky ball, foam beach football, water walking ball,